We all know that Google Chrome is one of the best browsers, but we also have to know it is one of the most resource-hungry programs on your entire PC. And most people have no idea how much FPS and RAM it's silently stealing. I have 7 fixes, all built into Chrome, nothing to download. Let's go and make Google Chrome more faster and stop it from eating your FPS. Step 1. Chrome's internal task manager. Press Shift and Escape inside Chrome. This opens Chrome's own task manager, something Windows Task Manager will never show you. Every tab, every extensions, every invisible background process has its own line. Sort by memory footprint, find anything using over 200 megabytes you don't need right now. Select it, hit and process. Instant free RAM, no settings changed. You don't need to redo this, but do it anytime Chrome suddenly feels heavy, extensions grow over time, and new background processes appear after updates. Step 2. Memory saver. Go to Settings, Performance, and turn Memory Saver on. This automatically freezes tabs you haven't looked at in a while, freeing up to 40% of Chrome's RAM according to Google's own numbers. Tabs reload instantly when you click back. Set to balanced for most people. Maximum if you have 8 GB of RAM or less. And exceptions for anything you always want live, a music player or a work app. This is a standard Chrome setting. It stays on after every update. Set it once and forget it. Step 3. Kill unused extensions. Type Chrome : /extensions and hit enter. Every extension here runs its own background process the moment Chrome opens, whether you're using it or not. Disabling unused extensions instantly reclaims 20 to 30% of Chrome's memory. You don't have to delete them, just toggle off anything you don't use daily. Shopping assistance, animated new tab pages, duplicate converters off. Keep one good ad blocker like uBlock Origin. It actually reduces Chrome's workload by blocking ad scripts before they load. Extensions stay disabled after updates, but check this list every few months. Some extensions quietly re-enable themselves after a Chrome update. Step 4. Settings. System. See this. Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. By default, Chrome keeps running silently after you close the window. Still using RAM, still using CPU, turn it off. Now closing Chrome actually stops it. This setting stays off permanently after you change it. No need to redo after any updates. Step 5. Preloading off. Settings, performance, preload pages. Chrome is constantly loading pages you haven't clicked yet, burning your bandwidth and spiking your CPU in the background. Switch to standard for most people, or no preloading if you are gaming and Chrome is open at the same time. Pages still load fast. Chrome just stops acting like a crawler in the background. This stays saved after update. Set once done. Step 6. NVIDIA frame cap for Chrome. Gamers, this one is for you. If Chrome is open on a second monitor while you are gaming, it's fighting your GPU for frames. Open NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings, program settings, add chrome.exe. Set background application max frame rate to 20. The moment you click into your game, Chrome gets capped at 20 FPS. Your GPU is free for the game. Your video or stream still plays fine. You just stopped Chrome stealing from your game. This setting lives in the NVIDIA driver, not inside Chrome. Chrome updates never affect it. It stays permanent until you change it yourself. Step 7. Type Chrome:/GPU and look at the rasterization row. If it says hardware accelerated, Chrome is already using your GPU correctly and you can skip this step. If it says software only, keep watching. Open Chrome:/flags. Search GPU rasterization, enable it. This moves page rendering from your CPU to your GPU where it belongs. Then search zero copy rasterizer. If you see it, enable it too. If either flag doesn't show up, Chrome already handles it by default. Hit relaunch, go back to Chrome:/GPU and confirm rasterization now says hardware accelerated. If you get visual glitches after, go back to Chrome:/flags, find both flags, set them back to default and relaunch. Some older GPUs are blacklisted from hardware rasterization for a reason. Don't force it. After Chrome updates, Chrome flags can reset to default after a major Chrome update. This is the only step in this entire video you might need to redo occasionally. After any major Chrome update, check Chrome:/GPU and confirm rasterization still says hardware accelerated. If not, re-enable the flags. Quick answer to the question you're probably thinking, do you have to redo all this after Chrome updates? Almost never. Memory saver, background running, preloading, extensions, all saved permanently. The NVIDIA cap lives in your GPU driver, so Chrome updates never touch it. The only thing to occasionally check is the GPU rasterization flag. Major Chrome updates can reset it. After any big Chrome update, go to Chrome:/GPU and confirm rasterization says hardware accelerated. That's the only one to watch. That's it in this video. I'm sure these 7 changes will make Chrome better and stop it from eating your FPS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, a comment. If you want to ask for something, I answer everyone. And see you in the next one. Have a good day.